Welcome to Magen Eco Energy, the world leader of solar pool heating innovation. Here in Israel, we design and manufacture the technology trusted by pool professionals worldwide. We are proud to operate the world's first fully automated production line in solar pool heating. This investment in advanced technology means faster lead times, superior quality, and greater reliability, all to support our success in the field.
Running 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, our line delivers unmatched consistency and efficiency with a production capacity of over 800 collectors per day.
Magen Eco Energy, leading the future of solar pool heating, one innovation at a time.